Bass groove. Unlocking the rhythmic magic in music. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of music, the bass groove. This concept is not just important for musicians, but for anyone who enjoys music and wants to understand it better. So, let's explore together what makes a bass groove so captivating. The term bass groove refers to a rhythmic pattern played by the bass instrument in a piece of music. It's the heartbeat of a song, providing both a foundation and a driving force. The bass groove is not just about playing notes. It's about creating a feel or a rhythm that others can follow. It's what makes you tap your feet or nod your head to the music. To understand a bass groove, let's break it down. 1. Rhythm, the most crucial aspect. It's the timing and duration of the notes. 2. Melody, although the bass is a rhythm instrument, it often plays a melodic line within the groove. 3. Harmony, the bass notes often outline the harmonic structure of the song, setting the chord progressions. 4. Dynamics, how the bassist plays, softly, loudly, smoothly, or aggressively, adds character to the groove. The bass groove serves several roles. Foundation, it provides the fundamental layer over which other instruments build. Rhythmic drive, it propels the song forward, giving it energy and momentum. Emotional impact, different grooves can evoke different feelings, from joy to sadness. Unity, a good groove can unify all elements of a song, creating a cohesive sound. To really grasp the concept, listen to different songs and focus on the bass. Notice how it interacts with the drums, forming the rhythm section, and how it changes the feel of the song. Genres like funk, jazz, and blues often have distinctive and easy-to-identify bass grooves. I hope this video helps you appreciate the power and beauty of the bass groove in music. It's a fundamental part of what makes music so enjoyable and emotionally resonant. Keep listening and exploring, and you'll start to feel the groove in all your favorite songs. Thanks for watching, and keep grooving.